Baby marmoset swings with glee, learning science in the tree. Mama lion says, be strong, science helps us all along. Elephants with trunks so wide, drink and splash with joyful pride. Parrots squawk in colors bright, talking, learning day and night. Snakes can slither, smooth and fast. Science shows their bodies last. It achieves. Tigers prowl with stripes so neat. Camouflage makes hunting sweet. Frogs jump high with legs so strong. Croak their science jungle song. Butterflies with wings that glow. Metamorphosis helps them grow. Hippos splash in rivers deep. Science tells how they can sleep. Baby monkey claps with fun. Science learning for everyone. Parents, kids, come dance along. Jungle science pions, a joyful song. Monkey swings and lions roar. Elephants splash and parrots soar. Thanks for learning with Bright Minds, where fun always meets learning. See you next time!